Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about to how to stop restarting PC in my Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you are playing games or anything doing time automatically restart your PC, that's the problem. Uh, let's solve this guys. Go to control panel, open it, system and security. Category, select this system and security, and system, go to system. If you are using Windows 10 means having this side advanced system settings. Windows 11 and advanced system settings is here. Press it. Go to startup and recovery, failure or dumping information. Click on settings. System failure, automatically restart. Uncheck this box. Uncheck this box and press OK. Click OK. That's it guys. Hope this tutorial worked for you. Thanks for watching my video.